Now, through April 30th, we're featuring a big surplus auction benefiting the UT Southwestern Medical Center in Dallas, Texas. I'm excited for you to check out all the lab tools and medical equipment we've got in this auction, but I know Mr. Wolfkins wants to show you some of the other exciting lots up for bid. Looks like he's excited for this group of conference displays, plus a large number of color workgroup copier printers and big bundles of toner inks for offer. And he's looking keenly at a number of lots of Dell computer CPUs, Wi-Fi repeaters, and IT equipment racks with gear, along with many large lots of computer monitors and displays. Sit, Mr. Wolfkins? Oh, sorry, he's saying that you can sit, well, wherever you want if you win any of these lots of fancy reclining chairs and relaxation seating. Oh yeah, I forgot about all of this other lab gear available in this auction too, like lab fridges and blood banks to cryovats, microtome sequencers, and much more. Additionally, there are many lots of defibrillators and infusion pumps, along with apheresis machines, crash carts, balloon pumps, and other hospital supplies. Good eye, Mr. Wolfkins. There are cases and cases of hospital gowns, along with various exam tables and treatment stretchers. Or maybe you're looking for ophthalmology tools like a retinal camera setup. He also wants you to see these other crash cart lots and lowboy push movers, along with some trade show travel displays. And we're giving you the opportunity to bid on a number of Yale lift truck-powered pallet jacks for your warehouse needs. Of course I'll tell them, Mr. Wolfkins. He says if you win either of the two vehicles up for bid in this auction, he wants to go for a ride. Let's see, there's a 2011 Chevy Suburban and a 2017 Ford E450 shuttle bus. And last but not least, we've got a number of large scrap lots offering piles and piles of power conditioners, cables and bins of keyboards, and miscellaneous parts. Mr. Wolfkins and I wish you best bidding on any of these items, but you've only got until April 30th, so head over to surplusmarketplace.com and register now before this auction benefiting UT Southwestern ends. See lot listings for details. Surplus Marketplace, LLC is a Texas auction company operating under B. Blair License 18123.